Are you tired of struggling with power tools that just can't keep up with your demands? Do you find yourself frustrated by drills and drivers that overheat, lose their charge quickly, or just don't have the oomph to get the job done? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to be talking about a game changer, the DEWALT 20V MAX XR DCD791D2. For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me when I first laid eyes on this tool. It's not just another cordless drill. It's an entire system that combines power, performance, and innovation in ways you never thought possible. Therefore, if you're looking for a tool that will take your work to the next level, then keep watching because we're about to dive into the 3 things you need to know about the DEWALT 20V MAX XR DCD791D2. First up, let's talk about the motor. The heart of any power tool is its motor, and in this case, it's a beast. With an impressive 820 UWO unit watts out, this drill can handle even the toughest tasks with ease. But what really sets it apart is its ability to maintain that level of performance throughout the entire charge cycle. Yes, you read that right, not just at peak power, but all the way down to the end. But how does it do this? The secret lies in DEWALT's XR Extreme Runtime technology. This proprietary system allows for a higher level of efficiency and battery life, giving you more time to get the job done without needing to stop and recharge. Therefore, if you're tired of tools that let you down when you need them most, then this one is definitely worth considering. Rehook. Are you starting to see why this tool has such a strong reputation in the industry? But wait, there's more. We haven't even talked about its features yet. So stick with me as we dive deeper into what makes the DEWALT 20V MAX XR DCD791D2 so special. Now that we've covered the motor and XR technology, let's talk about some of the other impressive features this drill has to offer. One of my personal favorites is its compact design. At just over 7 inches long and weighing in at a mere 3.9 pounds, it's easy to maneuver even in tight spaces. But what really sets it apart from other drills on the market is its ability to handle heavy-duty applications without sacrificing too much speed. For example, I was able to drive large screws into hardwood with ease, all while maintaining a surprising level of control and precision. And let me tell you, that's no easy feat, especially when you're working with materials as dense as hardwood. Therefore, if you're looking for a tool that can handle even the toughest tasks with confidence, then look no further than the DEWALT 20V MAX XR DCD791D2. Rehook. You're probably wondering what kind of battery life this drill has to offer. Well, let me put your mind at ease, it's more than impressive. With a single charge, I was able to get over an hour and a half of continuous use out of the 5Ah battery. But that's not all. DEWALT also includes a second 20V Max battery with this kit, giving you even more flexibility when working on long projects. Now that we've covered some of the key features and benefits of this drill, let's talk about its overall performance. In my testing, I was consistently blown away by how well it performed under heavy load. Whether I was drilling through concrete or driving large screws into wood, the DEWALT 20V MAX XR DCD791D2 delivered every time. Therefore, if you're looking for a tool that will give you the confidence to take on even the toughest tasks with ease, then this one is definitely worth considering. And as always, be sure to check out our link in the description below for the best price and free shipping. Rehook, but what about durability? Can a tool really be expected to withstand such heavy use without breaking down over time? Well, let me tell you. The DEWALT 20V MAX XR DCD791D2 has been put through its paces by some of the toughest professionals in the industry, and it's come out on top every time. So there you have it, 3 things you need to know about the DEWALT 20V MAX XR DCD791D2. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out with power tools, this drill has something for everyone. Therefore, if you haven't already, be sure to pick one up and experience the difference for yourself. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video.